Hello, this is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today we're unboxing a very exciting SSD drive. It is from G Technology. Why is it exciting? Why are SSD drives exciting? Well, this is the G Drive Mobile Pro SSD with 1 terabyte of size, 2800 megabits up to. And why is that exciting? Right here. It can do 8K video editing right on the drive from your computer, or 4K in VR. So you can check out those details by pausing the video right there. Go ahead and unbox this right now. So it's a little bit larger than standard smaller SSD drives. That's because it supports Thunderbolt 3. So there's the Thunderbolt item right there. Here's the USB-C Thunderbolt port. I like that they have this cool sort of blue style on the inside. They also have it on the back for cooling, and there's the activity light right there. But this is capable of handling the traffic that you need from your computer to a device to edit 8K video or 4K VR. So they give you the Thunderbolt 3 cable, and you can see that it has the number 3 on there. The USB-C to USB-C, so you plug it into your Mac or PC that can handle it. And it says for Mac or PC, and they give you the software and also a 5-year warranty. So this is the G Drive Mobile Pro SSD in 1 terabyte up to 2800 megabit a second transfer, so you can edit those 8K videos or 4K VR videos while you're mobile. This is Chris Roshnut.